Worried about your personal data security? Deleting files isn't enough. Your sensitive information can still be retrieved. How can you ensure true privacy? Introducing Erase, a robust tool designed to permanently erase your personal data, safeguarding your privacy. With confidence. How it works? In just a few clicks, Erase creates a secure bootable USB. Plug it into the device you want to erase. Restart the device and let Erase handle the rest. It wipes your data completely, leaving no trace behind. Protect your data and enjoy peace of mind. Effortlessly erase with Erase. Complete data erasure. Peace of mind knowing your files are unrecoverable. A certificate of verification after every wipe. Excited to start? Erase. Download now and secure your privacy today. Download.
To begin with, open your browser and visit erase.com. Now hit the download button. Select your appropriate operating system. Once downloaded, open the installer and install Erase on your system. After installation, launch Erase from the Start menu. Plug in your USB thumb drive. The USB will automatically appear in the list. Now click on Flash. Flash process completes. Safely eject your USB drive. Now plug the USB into the target device, the device you want to erase. Power on the target device. Enter the UEFI settings by pressing F2, F11, F12 or delete depending upon your system. Inside the boot settings, change the boot priority order and place your USB at the top of the list. Save the changes and exit from the UEFI menu. That's it. Watch as Erase securely erases all the data from the device. Finally, once the process is complete, you'll receive a certificate of verification confirming that the erasure was successful.
Now we are going to demonstrate the deployment process of our solution into an industrial setup. For that, we have to enable a DHCP server along with a TFTP server in our end, and then we have to start a NFS server which will actually serve the ISO files of our custom operating system. One of our target device, and we are now going to see our solution in action. Firstly, we are going to power on the device which is already configured to boot from IPv4 PXE. Now the boot process will take place. As you can see, it has found our TFTP server. It's fetching all the files needed for the boot. Bootloader is active. Now what we are going to do is we are going to boot into our live operating system called the Eraser Live OS. So here we go. Now you can see the initial RAM disks and to fetch all the operating system files from an NFS server. Now it is booting. This is system boot. Now it will try to log in as root automatically, and it is trying to launch our payload, which is the core application that will actually erase the disks. And now as you can see, our tool has started and it is showing us all the disks that is present in this device. Now you can see all the devices that are present in the same LAN, and when we power on the CPUs, it booted into our solution automatically. We are going to focus in the core software that is packaged with our custom operating system, and as you can see, it has listed all the available disk storage devices that is present in the target device. And since we are doing all this as a concept demonstrator in our college hardware, so we do not fully have the permission to run a complete wipe, but here we have arranged a dummy disks that we can wipe to demonstrate the concept. So we are going to select the dummy disks that we have permission to fully wipe. So let me select it, and then let's start the wiping process. As you can see, it has started the wiping process and it is showing all the statistics of how much time it will take and throughput, etc.
Go.
Now, as you can see, it has completed up to 30%, but as you can see, the remaining time is showing almost an hour. So for the sake of this video, we are not going to let it complete the entire wiping process, and we will just stop it here. But when we stop it here, the thing that will happen is, number one, it will generate a PDF that will say that it has been forcefully aborted. And number two, we have integrated third-party verification for in our stack, and if we do not complete the entire process, the third-party verification software will not further run. So you will not see the third-party verification details. This is the certificate that the client machine sent to our server, and as you can see, it shows all the details. Here you can modify all the details using a simple configuration file, business name, business details, etc. And if we scroll down, we can see the disk eraser details. Here you can see the end time, which is 4:13 p.m. and now the time is 4:15. And in the status, you can see it is aborted, as the client has forcefully aborted the process for the sake of this video. And in here you can see all the actual details, actual technical details that has taken place. And if you scroll down, in case this was a full complete wipe, here we have integrated smart module, which will actually perform the third-party verification, and in the later 2 pages you will get the third-party verification details.
With E-Ray's, data security is no longer complicated. Whether you are an individual protecting personal files or an industry handling critical data at scale, E-Rays ensures your data is gone for good, leaving no trace behind. Thank you.